Ajay Chatwal, firstly, congratulations on 1 year of Pathya. I mean, had the pleasure of tracking the journey of Pathya and a lot of ESG initiatives of Indian hotels, and some of them are really exemplary, which are having impact both at an environment level and at the social level. But frankly, if you have to assess the ESG journey of Indian hotels on a scale of 1 to 10, 3, 4, 5, or nearing 10.
I would say that where Yazdi just mentioned, India would be, we're already there today. There is much more that needs to be done. But we also have a benefit. We are celebrating 120 years of the company this year. So we are way ahead. Also, the founder's philosophy, as was mentioned, was all built around the community as being the most important stakeholder. So that is deeply ingrained in the DNA of all group companies. So that's another help. But coming to, what GSD just now said, I actually have a different opinion. I think we are not doing that bad if you actually looked at data. So India is a little less than 20% of the world population. And the kind of emissions we have is far less than, let's say, the European Union put together. So, but is the less bad the new good? That's not right. However, what makes me believe that India can do it is the horrible time that we went through COVID. I think we managed as a nation, we managed that situation possibly the best in the world or among one of the best. I think with digitization, the way it was leveraged during COVID, and some of the alignment among people for a common cause, if that would happen, then the say-do ratio of ESG plus would significantly increase, and the time to achieve those goals will be much shorter than what we think. And as Indian hotels also, I have to say I learned one lesson during the COVID times. We were doing what we were doing was very normal for the group that you do social service and you host frontline workers and you do the meal service, etc. But the amount of good that came back, I have not seen that in my almost 4 decades of career before. So I think there is this one thing which is also in the Indian mythology, that, or in the Indian culture, and we say if you do good, it comes back to you. I think it doesn't only come back to you, it comes back to you tenfold. So it may not be true in other economies and other places in the world, which is a negative for them, because there is always a system that takes care of you. Here, you need people who actually volunteer, organizations that volunteer, take charge, and that is also making a big difference. So I think that I'm a bit more optimistic that this has to happen. And I think it's another big opportunity. The biggest opportunity after G20, I would say, is embarking on this journey.